Your hands vibrate when you're done sanding. Let me introduce you to a sander today that will solve that problem. Hello, I'm Joe. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you the maxx-tech sander. It's a low profile, brushless sander, very low vibration. It has a power switch on the back with variable speed. It is also variable speed by the paddle on the back of it. It's a 6-inch, 5mm Orbit sander. I like to use mesh type sanding discs. Let me get an 80 grit disc here. And we will see how this thing works. Remember, if you're using a mesh type sanding disc, to use a protector pad for your disc. This is a great alternative to the more expensive sanders out on the market. I've had it for a couple of months and it works very nicely. We're going to take a marker, put some marks on a piece of poplar here. And as you can tell, it can get noisy, but once it's down on the material, it is quite pleasant to work with. Let me turn on the dust extractor. Now, with it being a 6-inch sander, it's very stable. Does very nice on the edges. It doesn't want to rock off the edges anywhere near as much. Turn it back on. Now we're going to go up up to 120. Same thing here. And there we have all the way up to 120. Nice, quiet, very little vibration transmitted into my hands. It does come with a dust port. I've got a eccentric hose adapter attached to mine. Put just a tad bit of silicone on it, slid it up on there so I didn't have to worry about it coming off. I said it uses, make sure it's turned off, uses your standard 6-inch paper. You can get adapters for, or pad protectors for it. There's quite a few companies that offer them. For the money on Amazon, it's a very nice sander. The variable speed comes in handy. I like to turn the speeds up on the higher grits, down on the lower grits. Seems to give me a little bit better of a finish. And you can't argue, can't go wrong with it. Very nice sander. They do offer they are coming out with a 2.5 millimeter. When it comes out, I will get my hands on one of them too, because it feels good to sand with it.